an increasing number of people who suffer from hormonal imbalance, and we have a lifestyle to blame for it. Yoga, a consistent practice, can definitely help you with your hormonal imbalance. Hello viewers, namaste, welcome back to my channel Yoga with Sajo. Today we will be doing a yoga practice which will definitely help you in maintaining your hormonal imbalance, support reproductive health and reduce anxiety.
We will start with sitting in Vajrasana. Now we'll go in extended child's pose. Take distance in your knees. Place both the hands between your legs. Exhale and slowly stretch your hands and touch your forehead on the ground. Totally relax your body. Keep breathing normally. Inhale and now slowly come in tabletop position. Here we'll do Marjyasana and Bitilasana variation. Inhale and slowly stretch your neck backwards. Exhale and slowly stretch your neck maximum downwards. Try to touch your chin on your chest. While inhaling, slowly stretch your neck up, pressing your back totally downwards. While exhaling, slowly stretching your neck inwards and stretching your back upwards. Continue this process. You will start feeling relaxed now. Now we'll come back in Vajrasana. Now we'll go in sitting position. Here we are going to do butterfly, that is Bhadrasana. Bring your legs close to your body, interlock your fingers and hold your legs. Back straight, neck straight. Try to touch your knees on the floor. Now we'll do movement in it. Move your legs up and down, trying to touch your knees on the floor. If it's difficult to hold your toes, just hold your big toe and continue the movement. Now stop the movement and slowly straighten your legs. Keeping your breathing normal. Further, we are going to do Janushirasana. Bend your right leg and touch your feet to the left thigh. Inhale and while exhaling, slowly bend forward, touch your left leg and try to touch your forehead to the knee. If it's possible, try to touch your elbows on the ground. Your knees should be straight. Inhale and slowly come up. Exhale and again go down in Janushirasana. Your breathing is normal. Inhale and slowly come back. And we'll repeat the same from the next leg. Bending your left knee, touch your left feet to your right thigh. Inhale and while exhaling, slowly bend forward. Try to touch your forehead on the knee. Inhale and come back. Exhale and again go back in Janushirasana. Here you have to try to stretch your body forward. Now in this position, if it's difficult to hold your toes, just hold your ankle and bend as much as you can, keeping your knees straight. If it's easy, slowly try to touch your heel. Slowly come back, straighten your leg. Next we are going to go in sleeping position. Lay down on your back. Here we are going to do bridge pose. Inhale and bring your legs close to your body. Take distance in your legs. Hold your ankles. If it's difficult, try to touch your heels. Exhale, and while inhaling, stretch your back, waist, thighs upwards. Your shoulders on the ground, neck on the ground, and now slowly close your eyes. Hold here, keeping your breathing normal. Close your eyes. Exhale and slowly bring your waist down and slowly straighten your legs. Now lay down on your stomach. We are going to do Bhujangasana. Keeping your body relaxed, your hands near your chest, forehead on the ground. Exhale, and while inhaling, slowly stretch your upper body backwards. Your heels are joined. Your hands are straight. Exhale and slowly come down. Inhale and again go back in Bhujangasana. You're doing great. You're improving your hormonal imbalance. Now slowly take distance in your feet. You'll feel more relaxed and you can stretch more backwards. Slowly join your heels. Exhale and slowly come back in sleeping position. From here we will go in tabletop position. Exhale, and while inhaling, slowly lift your knees and we'll go in Adho Mukho Savasana, downward facing dog. Try to touch your heels on the floor. Now we will jog a little, relaxing your legs, stretching your body backwards. Now walk towards your hand and come in standing position. Now here take maximum distance in your feet. Turn your left foot towards the left side. Inhale and bring your hands in shoulder level. Exhale and bend towards the left side. Try to touch your left hand on the ground. Turn your neck towards the right hand. Trikonasana. Inhale and come back. Now we'll do Bitilasana 2. Exhale and slowly bend your left knee. Turn your neck towards the left hand. Stretch your thighs. Keep your back straight. Inhale and straight your left leg. Turn your left foot. Now slowly turn your right foot. Exhale and Trikonasana from the right side. Keep your breathing normal and keep your eyes open. Inhale and slowly come straight. Exhale and slowly bend your right knee. Turn your neck towards your right hand. Bitilasana type 2. Inhale and slowly straighten your knee. Bring your hands down. From here, Take a little more distance in your legs. Inhale and bring your hands above the head. Exhale and bend forward. You have to try to touch your feet and try to touch your head on the floor. This is the final position that we have to achieve, but if it's difficult, hold your toes or keep your hands close to your head. Lift your head if it's very hard for you, but it's comfortable for you, then hold your feet and touch your head on the floor. Inhale and bring your hands close. Bring your legs close. Exhale and turn towards the right side. Try to touch your forehead on the knee. Now slowly touching the surface, go to the left side. Now here try to touch your forehead to the left knee. Slowly come back in the middle. Bring your legs close. Inhale and slowly come straight. Join your legs. Come in sitting position. You can either do Padmasana or any meditative pose. We'll end the session with chanting Om. Take a deep breath in. And relax. So viewers, we'll meet in my next video. Till then, stay tuned. Namaste.